when you open the box, this is everything in the box. So you should get this everything here, the seat, the leather seat cover, the cloth tray, the 2 plastic tray, the legs, the stands, and then the stands for the tray. Okay, so this is what we are fixing, but in the gray color, but in this color, this is what we are fixing. Okay, so let's begin. This is step 1. You attach this 4 metal ends. That is step 1. Okay, so the one with the lines, the rough lines, is the one that comes to the front part of the feeding chair. Okay, so that goes there, and then the smooth one goes to the back. So the base is formed. The base is formed like this. So we are going to attach these ones. Okay, so you see the ones that has a slant over here, it is not as smooth as these ones. Okay, the one with the slant over here goes into these holes. Okay, so the slanted ones are the ones that fit into these holes. Okay, so when you attach the second leg, it's supposed to snap in place into this. Okay, so it will fit in both this, and then you slide this up, and then it will fit in both, just like this. Okay, so you see this is snapped in place, and this is also snapped in place. Okay, so on to the last one. There are 4 of it. Okay, so all 4 is done. So this is it with the extended legs like this. Okay, so now we are going to attach the base of the legs. Okay, so number 1 for the front, and then number 2's for the back. So Okay, so now it is completely set up. When you put this, you just adjust it till it is a way that it will be solid. Okay, so now we lift it up and stand it completely up. Okay, so this has been set up. We are halfway done. Like this, we are halfway done with everything. We are halfway done. Okay, so the next step is to fit the seat covers. It's as simple as that. You are all done. You are all done with the seat covers, and then you fit the seat belts. But before we fit the seat belts, let's fit the tray. This is the tray, and then you slide it through. Okay, so that is the tray. The tray is removable. It is in twos. Okay, so you see, you get two trays, this one, and then it gets attached to this one. Okay, and so the next step is for us to fit in this that goes into here. So we are going to start the process of fitting the holder here, and then we'll fit in the ties and then the play toy. Okay, so you fit it like this, and then it is stuck. Okay, so you take the next part and then you do the same thing to it. Okay, and then you move to the back of it. You do the same thing to the back. And then the last side. Okay, so you do that, and then the holding tray is completely set. Okay, so that is how to fix the holding tray. Okay, so this is it. We are going to flip it over and then attach the wheels of it for you to see. Okay, so you realize that there are some holes under. We'll attach the wheels of it for you to see. Okay, so you have to push it in. Use all your might and push it in. Okay, so when you push it in, this is what it's going to look like, as well as all. So we are going to fit all in. Okay, to make it easier to fit in, we turn it upside down, and then use all your might to push it in. And then the last one goes in. Okay, so that is how you fit in the wheels. And then when you fit it in, this is what you get when you fit it in. So you see the wheels are on it like that. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is to fit the seat belt. Okay, and then we'll fit the toy for you to see. Seat belt, we fit one off camera, so we are going to show you how to fit. So you just raise the seat a little, you pass this through here, and then you see that there are heights for the seat belt, so you can put it on any of the heights, but we are using the top one. You fit it in like this, and then it comes out through here. See, it's even if you pull on it, you see it is secured. Okay, and then you fit the cover back on. Okay, so we are going to fit all the rest of it off camera. So it is 1, 2, this side, you see one down here, one down here, another one down here. Okay, and then this is the back of it. You see one here, and then one here, and as well as beneath this, you see one here. So this is this one. Okay, all right, so you can attach the play item. Okay, you just do that, or you can remove it. Okay, like that. So we are going to show you how to slide the tray. Okay, so this is a tray. We are going to show you how to slide. It's as simple as that, and then you can slide back in. It is as simple as that. Okay, very, very simple, very easy. So when you're done with your setup, you should have this as a completed look. Okay, you should have this as a completed look. And then there are locks over here for if you want it to move or you do not want it to move. Okay, there are locks, it to move or do not move. Okay, there are locks for it. This is how to adjust the seat. So like that, and then like that. So what we are pulling on is here, this. Okay, so you pull it up, and then okay, and then it is like this, or you can bring it back up, and then they are seated nicely. So if you want them to rest, you pull it down, and then if you want them to sit up, as easy as that. I'm going to teach you how to collapse the chair. It is collapsible. If you want to put it away, you press here, and then there's another one on this side. You see this side, so you press both together, and then yes, you press both together, and you see it is collapsed like this. And then to open it back up, you press both together, and it is opened.